This is Math Lesson 4.2, Think Addition to Subtract. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can use an addition fact to help me subtract. So here we have a problem at the top. Let's read it. It says, Catherine has 4 cubes. Alana gives her some more cubes. Now she has 11 cubes. How many cubes does Alana give Catherine? So let's go ahead and look and see. Catherine had 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Alana gives her some more. So if I were to write a number sentence to match that, I would have Catherine has 4 cubes plus Alana gives her some more. And I'm not quite sure what some more is at this point. But I know she has 11 now. So I'm going to take and count up. So I have 4, and now I'm going to continue on and get to 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So I know she had 4 and she gets some more. So the some more that she gets is the blue. Right here, this is the more that Alana gives her. Right here. So let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 7 equals 11. Let's read the next problem. It says, Catherine has 11 cubes. She gives Alana 4. How many cubes does Catherine have now? So she had 11 cubes. So let's put 11 cubes out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. She has 11 cubes and she gives 4 to Alana. So 4 of these she's going to give to Alana. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to circle those and cross them off because she gave them away. So let's write our number sentence. 11, she gives Alana 4, so that's subtracting, minus 4 equals, well, if I look up here, I know 4 plus 7 is 11. So I know I have 11 cubes up here and I have 11 cubes down here. So when I look at it, I know we had 11 and we took off 4. Well, if I have 4, what's my other number right here? 7. So let's check that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 7. So it says, what is 10 minus 4? So we're going to think 4 plus something equals 10. So I'm going to put up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to get to 10. So I'm going to keep counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now I can think of a number bond when I think about that. So if I had 10 altogether, that's my whole, and I have 4 as one of my parts right here, I know that 4 and 6 is 10. So if I had a 10 frame, I could have 4 dots and 6 blanks. So if 4 plus 6 equals 10, 10 minus 4 equals, so think about this, we have 10 over here and we're going to take away that 4. How many are we left with? We're left with that 6. So I'm going to do some arrows here. So look at what happened. Our answer starts us off because it's the whole, and we always have the whole when we subtract. That starts us off. One of my parts is what I subtracted, and my other part is my difference, my answer. Let's look at this again. So it says 11 minus 4. So it says think 4 plus something is 11. So I'm going to start at 4 and I'm going to count up to 11 and I'm going to draw some dots. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's count our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 dots. So 4 plus 7 equals 11. So 11 minus 4 equals 7. Good job. So let's look at that. Our answer, which is the whole, starts us off in our subtraction sentence. What we are subtracting is one of the parts, and our other part, which is our difference, was the other add-in. Awesome. So let's look at this one. 13 minus 7. So I'm going to think 7 plus something equals 13. So I'm going to start at 7 and I'm going to draw my dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, let's try that again. I'm going to say 7 and count up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So if I look down here, I have a set of 5 right here and one more, which is 6. So 7 plus 6 is 13. So 13 minus 7 equals 6. So let's look at it again. Our whole, so here's our number bond. We can draw a number bond for this one. So the total, the whole, is 13. That's our big number. One of our parts is 7 that we knew. Our other part is 6 that we didn't know. So my total, the whole, is what I start with when I subtract, and it's what I end up with when I add. That's the answer, or the sum. One of the parts that I have is what I subtract off, and my answer, the difference, is one of the parts in my addition sentence. Awesome job learning today.